Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we're diving into some amazing IKEA finds that combine style, function, and timeless design. Whether you're refreshing your living space, upgrading your kitchen tools, or adding cozy touches to your home, I've gathered a list of products that are worth checking out. Stick around for all the details. And don't worry, all the links are in the description below so you can explore them easily. 1. The LINDBYN mirror in gold brings instant elegance to any room. Its tall, rounded design visually expands your space, whether hung on the wall or leaned against it. The gold frame adds warmth, while the safety film backing provides peace of mind in busy households. A sleek yet timeless piece to reflect both light and style. 2. The HÖGVIND pendant lamp with 3 smoked glass shades creates a dramatic, cozy atmosphere. Each mouth-blown shade is uniquely crafted, enclosing perforated metal for layered lighting effects. Adjustable heights let you tailor the look over a dining table or kitchen island, and you can pair it with IKEA's dimmer kit for extra flexibility. 3. The SKANSNÄS chair in brown beech blends Scandinavian design with lasting craftsmanship. Its solid wood frame and hand-woven paper cord seat offer a natural textural charm. Strong, stylish, and supportive, this chair pairs perfectly with SKANSNÄS tables or stands beautifully on its own in any dining or living space. 4. The SKANSNÄS Extendable table in brown beech delivers both beauty and function. Its round shape invites conversation, while the hidden butterfly leaf smoothly expands seating from 4 to 6. Solid wood details and thick veneer ensure durability, making it a standout centerpiece for lively dinners and long-lasting memories. 5. The VARMBLIXT LED wall mirror lamp combines dimmable mood lighting with a bronze-tinted mirror for an artistic glow. Built-in LEDs make it energy efficient and long-lasting, while the safety film ensures added protection. It's a brilliant choice to warm up entryways, bedrooms, or any spot craving both light and visual intrigue. 6. The ÄDELSTEN mortar and pestle, crafted from black marble, is both a kitchen tool and a statement piece. Its reversible design allows you to grind spices efficiently on either side, making it as practical as it is beautiful. A heavy, durable addition for home cooks who love working with fresh ingredients. 7. The VARDAGEN cast iron frying pan is your partner for hearty home-cooked meals. With its thick base and walls, it distributes heat evenly and retains warmth for beautifully browned dishes. Suitable for all cooktops, including induction and oven safe, this pan promises durability with a reassuring 15-year warranty. 8. The VARDAGEN enamelled cast iron pot with lid, 5.3 quarts, is ideal for slow-cooked dishes like roasts and stews. Its self-basting lid design keeps food moist, while the heavy-duty cast iron ensures even heat distribution. Compatible with all cooktops and oven-safe, this pot will serve you deliciously for decades. 9. The Stockholm 2025 pendant lamp is a true showstopper with its 36 glass tubes and brass-plated metal details. Whether hung over a dining table or closer to the ceiling for general lighting, it brings a luxurious Scandinavian touch to any space, part of the elegant Stockholm collection for timeless appeal. 10. The Stockholm 2025 armchair combines cozy comfort with natural materials. Its rounded, embracing shape and pocket spring cushion provide excellent support, while the rattan frame adds a warm, organic vibe. Covered in soft germo fabric, this chair invites you to sit back and relax in style. 11. The silver Hoyden gold frame, size 16 by 20 inches, is perfect for showcasing your favorite photos or art. Its matte metal-like finish looks elegant on walls, and the lightweight plastic front ensures safe, glare-free display. You can hang it horizontally or vertically and easily pair it with IKEA's adhesive hooks. 12. The Rudolph frame in oak effect, 16 by 20 inches, offers versatile styling for your photos or prints. You can place the image close to the front or behind the inner frame for added depth. With its modern look, acid-free matte, and safe plastic front, it's a simple yet thoughtful decor choice. And that's it for today's roundup of beautiful, practical IKEA pieces. I hope you found something that inspires your next home project or makes your everyday life a little more stylish. Remember, all the product links are in the description, so feel free to check them out anytime. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.